Yo, stocks 5150. Right now, what we got going on is the jobs report coming out in 1 minute, and consumer confidence is coming out in a minute and 48 seconds. So, I'm not in a position on this contract, but I kind of did screw the pooch. I gotta be honest, in my December contract, and I'm down, was down 3, now down 2,900. So, I'm holding it because that's a forward contract, and it should come back down. We should pull back. But right now, we have been in a rocket ship, yo. Like, look at this. Boom. So we're up here, and we could push up. What's the next level? Next level is here. This is resistance coming across this way. So that level right there, that's the next level. Moving up or resistance. And that's back from earlier in the month. So that could be the next level of resistance. Or if we break through it, then that's where we'll be at, right here in this node here. So we shall see. Put that up right there, make it more true. That's the resistance. And we're getting close to it. So we're just waiting for this news. We got 7 seconds. Put it back on. Let's see, put it on the 1 minute and see what it does. So we're coming up. So if we come up and we push on up and stay there, then that's what we'll be trading at. Or we can come back down. All right, let's see. So jobs, jolts. Uh, forecast was 7.28 million, and we have 7.59 million. So good job. Good job. Jobs have been created. That's green. That's good. Consumer confidence forecast was 94.4, and the actual is 91.2. So instant reaction is, oh, and Chicago PMI came out also. But instant reaction is a pullback. So that makes sense because good jobs means that we are not going to be cutting rates. And so now the Fed has ammunition or more reasons to not lower rates. And technically, most of the time, the index likes when you lower rates. EQ does. So we'll see. So we'll see if we're going to get a short and, push through. I'm not in anything right now. This could just be an initial and a good bounce, and we push up. So right now we're just between the 5 and the 14. Let's see what happens. So it's going back up. Let's do a short. See what happens. Oh, it's bouncing. I thought it was gonna pull back, and it didn't. That was all. That was the reaction. The reaction was that. So see, I got short right there at the top, and now it seems like we're gonna be pushing up. So it disregarded the data this time. So I guess it's okay with not getting the rates cut. So now it's going back up. I want it to go down because normally if the jobs opening is good, if there's more jobs being created, then that means that they're not going to be cutting rates because the market is doing good. The jobs is doing good. But yeah, so probably should get out of this one, but I really think it's going to pull back down. But that's kind of what gets me in these traps, like I be in. We're coming up and touching this level now. So let's see. We're going to continue higher. The time is 10 o'clock. Really would like to see a pullback, at least to come down to here. You know, so it's running up. So I should have went long, is what I'm saying. Really, you should just do the opposite of whatever it is I say I'm gonna do. And so let's see if we're gonna meet this. That's resistance right there. And if we're gonna pull back, let's go back and see. Go to the 1 hour. Boom. See, and it's meeting that right here. So it's bumping into that resistance from there, that value area. But it looks like they're gonna try and base up in there. If they base up in there, then yeah. So it hit it and it's resisting it. So we need a pullback. A nice pullback would be back down here. Like just retrace that whole move and come back down here. That would be perfect for at least this position. Uh, so let's see. All right, pulling back. Let's see. We're gonna hold and bounce off this 5. I would like to see it pull all the way back down, at least down to 260. But it's not looking like it. So the jobs numbers, we got more jobs, 7.5 million. And the market pulled back and then just said, whatever. So let's see if we're going to continue. But like I said, could pull back and it's good because this means that the Fed is not going to raise. But it's a new Federal Reserve too, and I don't know, maybe they're going to do whatever it is their plan is, and the market's just going to take care of itself. So we'll see. I'm going to mute the mic and we're just going to trade. All right, stock 5150. I really don't like when my order becomes the base. See, it came right down, boom, bounce, and we pull back up. Just see, I got just green for a second, and this is dang. I'm just chose the wrong direction. Sit through this again. Let's see. Holding it big. All right, so here's the thing. I'm not trading good right now. Like I'm going short and the market's going long. I'm back in a counter trend mode for whatever reason. So I think I'm gonna have to stop. Just saying. I'm gonna have to take. Yeah, this ain't working out. I'm throwing money away. Like it came up into the box. You see, we're here now. So if we get here, we build up acceptance here, and we stay here, then I'm done. See, look at that. I stay. I was thinking that we're gonna hit and resist and come back down. Trying to be patient. Time is 10:30. We'll see how it goes through lunch. We get a pullback through lunch, then cool. But yeah, this is not looking good. It's looking like it wants to be up instead of got a huge lot up at 450, and yeah, it looks like it's trying to get there. Look at this, 430, 428. Yeah, I should just be trading instead of trying to buy these and hold. Just, I need to get back to what got me profitable earlier was doing the ins and the outs, the swings, hitting small base hits. And now I'm back trying to swing and hold again. I need to quit doing that. That's not my strong suit apparently. Um yeah, 450 is a 198 lot up there at 450, 455. So yeah, and 460. Three big huge orders up there. Sales. But I'm gonna have to sit in it and wait and hopefully it'll sell out or I don't know what's happening, but there ain't much going on down below. The Delta 367, 199, 416 is huge lots up there, so it should sell back down. 430, what we got at 430? So I'm looking at this book map on YouTube. It's like 2 minutes, maybe a minute behind. Yeah, it's a minute behind, so it really ain't much help. More, I just look at it for the order book and the delta, but it's a huge delta down below at 405, which that won't help me much at this point. So we'll see what happens when it gets to about 405 if it's a buyer down there at 405. So you saw him a minute ahead. Here we are, 406, 405. Okay, what's happening at 405? Is it going to sell or what? It looks like it is holding. So the delta's huge, 405. When it gets to 405, let me see what it does. Like we're at 401 now, so we continue to sell. Coming back in. Let me see what happens on the map now. Because I know what happened. Oh, see, there it is. It's buying back up. All right, so it hit 405. And that's what it did. Fall back up. But how is that changing? Down to 375. There's a lot of positive delta down there. And which none of that is good because my order is way down here at 323. You know what I'm saying? So kind of screwing the booch again. So we see we're still sitting around this delta 405, 414, 415. Yeah. but it's a lot bound down here at 395. That reach order, buy order. So where we at now? We at 3. So 395 is a lot down there to buy. And we are holding. Go back up. I mean, I really want this thing to come down. I wanted to come down personally to about down here. That would be cool, at least for this position. Down here would be down here would be perfect. If here is fine, come back down to this node, break through this node through the PLC, and then come back down to this node. That would be perfect for this position. But right now, that's not where we at. We're holding it. Let's see, 405.
If you're looking to learn how to trade, a community is very important. I'm joining the previous community. Teaching wasn't one of the strong points. So I was left with guessing. Trade with the pros definitely goes down to the basics so that you can understand the process of trading. I don't have to guess. I can access reporting on this lab. I can also do one-on-ones with the accountability coach that gives you an understanding of how trading with the pros can help you be a successful
trader. Coming on down. Still far from where I needed to be, and I should have cut this. I don't even want to look over here at this other contract because I'm really down in the hole, man. Patiently waiting for a pullback. Mute the mic. You gotta go do some laundry. Target is 436. And right now, just churning and bouncing right between that level. Waiting. Gotta trade my way out of this hole. We're getting close. We need one trade at least. Let's get something going here. 30. We got 32. Look at this. Where is it at? It's pulling back. It got right up close to it. Pull back. We get some liquidity, hopefully, and push up. That's what we need. Let's go. We need 35, 30. What do we? Thank you. Finally. Good grief. Got 400 on the day. Current contract is complete, and we're going to chill. Now, shall we have some fun over here? Because look, we are down on this contract 3,700. So it's almost lunchtime. Do we wait because they're going to trap bulls up here? And then maybe they pull back. Let's look at this on the 4 hour and see what we're looking like. So this is a real decision I got to make. Since I chose to stay stuck in this popped up. We're here. So we're basically at the bottom of this is the value area that we were at from 2 weeks ago. Yeah. So this is our range now, and this is resistance. Remember, support becomes resistance. So we're right here at this level. So the top of let's see how this do this. We are at there. That's our resistance right now. So if we get into here, we're gonna chop, and we'll probably continue going up. And I'll probably need to get out because just take this L and do what I got to do. Now, what I would like to see is this become resistance. The support become resistance, and during lunch or something, we pull back, retrace, and just make up this whole 4 hours. Just bring it all the way back down to here. Maybe even drop there, but I really doubt that'll happen. But if we can come back down and get within this area here, I can live with that. It's still gonna be up. I'll be in the hole, but not by as much. So I'm kind of gonna hold it. Not gonna get out right now because we're already at our peak. I don't think we're gonna go much higher. Well, I can't say that. We might go higher because we could get into this range and chop up here. But either way, I'm gonna pull back, and by the end of the day, I'll make a decision. I'll either accept this loss, take this loss, call it a day, and yeah, kind of put myself in a hole for this December contract. So just saying, that's where I'm at on that. Yeah, that's where I'm at. So maybe we come back and trade down. We got to get up to 450. We got 20 points before we can do that, 25 points to get up there. But we got 400 on this contract for today, so we're going to chill. We're not going to trade nothing else. Keep that one positive at least. At least. Because you see, that's the same as what I showed you earlier. Like we look at this on the 4 hour. See where my box is. That's in that range. Boom. So if this turns into resistance and we fall back down, perfect. You know what I'm saying? But we'll see. I got laundry to do, so I ain't really tripping. But I got 440. What is it? Oh, bro, that's 43. I forgot I was in a hole down here. $40 a day, though. Remember? So $40 a day it is. You know, because I had 200. Kind of yeah. What did I get? Yeah. Once I accept that, that's gonna be. Well, it's already at 3. I'm up 8 for the year so far, so I could take that loss. I got to think about that though. I'm gonna wait for it to pull back. I don't know if it's gonna break up through there or if we're just gonna chop here. But either way, come back down. That'll be better. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'll just see what happens. So let's see what it is. So we at the highs right now, so we're just gonna chill out and see what happens. I could do the 15-second joints. Let's see something. Make money with 15 seconds. So one. Is it 35? See if it come down. Trying to snake. It looks like it's gonna. You cannot do no shorting in this market. Even on a 15-second, it ain't even pulling back. Look at that. It's holding at 5. Terrible, yo. Come on, push back. Come down to. Okay, nice. All right, 75. Okay, so we're gonna scalp a little bit. Put another one in at 345. Where's that? That's 33. I think it's already gone. Yeah, missed that. I'll wait for it. I ain't doing no more shorts. All right, I'm a chill. 75 is enough, shoot. Don't need being greedy. Maybe I should scalp this over here. But I could actually not do nothing and see how it plays out and then we come back. Because we at the top. So just looking at this, we already had boom, boom. So next move should be down here. Then back up to go. Because it didn't pull all the way back down here. But definitely bullets right now. They cleared out that 450 lot up there at the top. They headed that way. So we got some of it 475. 475. So we should be selling 450. We're at 462. 65. Heading up to 75. Like we're really bouncing right up here at the high today. Could get up here. 895. 860. 850. 850. Could go long. Close this out, go for 850. That'll be 100 points. Could trade it. I could trade this. Think you could trade it and get your 3 back? I don't know. Lunch is coming. Should have a pullback during lunch. I'm just gonna see what happens during lunchtime, and then I'll trade a little bit after lunch. How about that? All right, that's what the plan is. We're gonna probably end up closing this out trading. Just saying. I don't know. Short way down here. Short at the bottom, long at the top. Good, good. Stocks is crazy only because I make it that way. crazy to hold this overnight. That'll give me a G or so. Uh, not good, not good. I should cut it. Should cut it, but looking forward to drop down in here. But that did not happen. You see this? The jobs report came out today, and the jobs report, the actually unemployment numbers were good, and so that means that in the Jay Powell movement, that mean that they're not going to cut rates. But I guess the market don't give a stuff about what's going on, so they're just running. Maybe they'll digest that overnight, and we'll retrace and come back down in this area. Maybe. I don't know. Or we'll just continue to run. Either way, I'm taking an L on this, and this is put me in a hole. I'll have to trade my way out of it, which was not smart, but I did it. I mean, just saying, not smart. Not smart at all. But we'll get back positive. Ain't a small thing to a giant. I'm going to hold myself and hope so a pullback, but I don't know if that's going to happen today because it's looking like they got orders up here 545 and 550. Huge lots up there. Sales. Well, we got a lot of selling pressure too at 505, 510. So, but that means they're going to go up there to get it. You know what I'm saying? Um, I'm looking at the current contract when I say that, but so it's basically like they got orders up here, up in this area. So it's trying to get up here, right here where this liquidity is at. And if the base is above that, then I'm really screwed. That's 5,000. So I mean, I don't know. I might even get out and just trade this. Like really, probably should just get out of this and just trade. Just go hard, big contract, big contract, big contract, and just trade it. That would be the challenge, huh? See if you can do that. I'm going to the beach tomorrow, though. I'm not going to be sitting here trading this crap. Uh, but also, I think we'll pull back. Pull back down to, I don't know, for maybe 30, 40, maybe 50 points or so. Pull back down to 430. Get back down there. 455. Not a lot, but 40 points. But I'm not going to close it out right now. Yeah, not right now. All right, yo. Stock 5150. Peace.